Hello everyone, in this video you are going to make R the subject of the formula. So the first thing which you are going to do here, you are going to divide this equation by P throughout to obtain. So dividing by P, we are going to obtain A over P is equal to bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 everything power n. From there now you take the nth root both sides. So taking the nth root, we shall obtain this A over P everything power 1 over n, which is equal to bracket 1 plus R over 100. Remember the objective it is to make R the subject of the formula. So the next step, you subtract 1 both sides. So subtracting 1 both sides, we shall obtain A over P everything power 1 over n minus 1 is equal to R over 100. Remember the objective is to obtain R, so from there we multiply by 100 both sides. First of all, we have divided by P both sides as shown here. Then step number 2, we have taken the nth root on the left hand side and on the right hand side. Then from there we have subtracted 1 both sides as shown here. And alternatively from this equation here, we can take logarithm both sides. So the alternative method is taking logarithm both sides, and then on the right hand side we are going to make use of the laws of logarithm, whereby we are going to expand this one and write the following. Note that P is being multiplied by bracket 1 plus R over 100. So taking logarithm, this can be written as log of P plus log of 1 plus R over 100 everything power n. Also this part here, we can make use of the law of logarithm, whereby now we are going to bring n in front of this logarithm. So taking n in front, you shall have log of A is equal to log of P plus n log of bracket 1 plus R over 100. At this level, we subtract log of P in both sides. So subtracting log of P on the both sides, you shall obtain log of A minus log of P is equal to n log of 1 plus R over 100. Then log of A minus log of P can be combined as one log as follows. So log of A minus log of P can be combined as one logarithm as log of A divided by log of P. At this juncture now, we dividing by n both sides. So dividing by n both sides, we shall obtain 1 over n log of bracket A over P is equal to log of 1 plus R over 100. Remember, we can rewrite this part here as, so log bracket of A over P everything power 1 over n is equal to log of 1 plus R over 100. So we can cancel log on the left hand side and on the right hand side to obtain. So cancelling log on the right hand side and on the left hand side to obtain this. Then we subtract 1 both sides. So after subtracting 1 both sides, you obtain this, and finally you multiply by 100 in both sides so that you obtain the following. So multiplying by 100, R will be 100 bracket A over P everything 1 over n minus 100 is equal to R. So that is how you make R the subject of the formula from this compound formula which you are given here in those simple method steps. Thanks for taking your time to study with me. Bye for now. For more such learning, tune on to my YouTube channel so that we may learn together.